In this video, I'll show you how to enable third-party cookies in Safari on your Mac. This can be useful if a website is not loading correctly, if sign-in pages are being blocked, or if certain website features are not working properly. Let's get started. First, open Safari on your Mac. Once Safari is open, go to the top left corner of your screen and click Safari. From the drop-down menu, click Settings. Now, select the Privacy tab at the top. Here, look for the option called Prevent Cross-Site Tracking. Make sure this option is turned off. If it is checked, click on it to uncheck it. Next, click Advanced Settings. In this section, look for the option called Block All Cookies. Make sure Block All Cookies is also turned off. This means the box should be unchecked. Once both settings are disabled, you can close the settings window. Now Safari should allow cookies, including cookies that some websites need in order to work correctly. You can now go back to the website you were trying to use and refresh the page. And that's it. That's how to enable third-party cookies in Safari on your Mac. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.